All right, hey everybody. So since Gameloft just gave away the key to the Rimac Nevera at their 8th anniversary, I figured a lot of people now have this car, so I might as well do a video on the best Gauntlet tracks for the Rimac Nevera. Now, in this video, you can kind of see first off that I have the Rimac Nevera Gold, and what we're going to do is I'm going to go through and just show you guys my best 10 tracks for the Rimac Nevera in Gauntlet. Now, this doesn't mean that, you know, these are the absolute best tracks for this car. They happen to be some of the better ones that I get better times on. And I'm also not saying that, you know, when I race these tracks, I am doing it the best way possible. And for the most part, frankly, I'm racing them, you know, with a pretty simple route and that sort of thing. So if you guys have your own preferred routes for this car, please let me know in the comment section below. If you're willing to share your top 5 tracks or even top 10, you know, again, let us know in the comment section below so we can kind of make some comparisons. I'm also not afraid to say I don't have the best Gauntlet times that can be done with this car. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Getting very, very close to the 1,000 subscribers, in which time I will be able to get access to the Asphalt Legends Unite creator content. And again, I will just be able to share more content with you guys and also get access to the rewards codes quicker. And I will get them to you guys quicker in the shorts videos. So in any case, let's go ahead and get started with these Gauntlet tracks.